What's up guys, welcome back to my another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna use the printing machine GS-205B Plus to sublimate our 20-ounce skinny tumbler. It's also our 2022 Vernal product. And as you can see, there are gloves, design, printing paper, high heat resistant tapes, which all essential during the whole process, guys, you know. Okay, next I'm gonna make a pressure test. Insert the tumbler. I feel a little bit easy for me when I close the pressure, so I'm gonna increase some pressure by these two screws. This time it's much better. Then we are able to turn on the machine. Guys, see, the first temperature, it should be 160 degrees Celsius, which for protecting the machine and also warming up the machine. And second temperature is 175 degrees Celsius, which for printing. So this is why the second temperature is a little bit higher than the first one. Then it is time 20 seconds, which totally okay. Because we need to wait for the temperature to heat up. So during this period, we can wrap up the tumbler with the design. Okay guys, the temperature has heated up to 160 degrees Celsius. We are able to put the tumbler into the machine. Okay guys, time's up. Flip the tumbler a little bit to print the area that wasn't printed. Close again. Thumbs up. Let's check out the final result.